will be a total of 4 DRL strips. Each DRL strip is different. Identify which strips are the passenger side and which are the driver's side by test fitting into the channel. Remove the red backing from the strips, exposing the adhesive tape. Before mounting your flow DRLs, we recommend using a dab of epoxy in the channel to ensure a strong hold. Starting with the corner of the fascia, position the DRL strip and press firmly into the channel. Repeat the same process for the other DRL strips.